In this video, I want to show you how you can quickly take data from MyMathLab and insert it into R in a way that I find very easy without having to kind of import data or anything fancy like that. So this is a problem from chapters 1 through 3 homework. I'm going to click on the icon to get the data. The context of the problem is not important for now. I'm going to click on this icon again to copy the table, and I'm going to open it in Excel. And that's going to import the data. I'm going to get it here. And the problem is that if I just try to put this directly into R, it's going to kind of give me an array. It's not going to like how I put it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and use the function ARRAYTOTEXT. And I'm going to put in the data 1 through 35. And now I have my data points all nicely laid out, separated by commas. I can copy and paste this cell into R. And so if I take our data and copy and paste it, there it is. So there's our 35 values without me having to individually input all of those values. I can find the standard deviation. I can find the mean very quickly. Okay, and so that's one way that you can just very quickly get data from MyMathLab into R.